Hey guys, if you've liked this video at the end, please subscribe, hit the bell to be notified, like and share. Enjoy!
So this back we're going to be doing is a 90 degree, and what's going to happen in it is that I'm going to overshoot the space just a little bit, and this is going to be me showing you how to correct it. Now I do this a lot when I'm getting into a tight space. I'll overshoot it and then correct it. Now here's what we're going to do. As you can see here, I'm aiming more towards that KKW trailer, and of course making sure you stop right there. So what's going to happen here, right? I'm going to rewind this a few times for you. As I'm going to pull forward to the left. All right. So crank it hard to the left. All right. Two things that's going to happen here, right, is that the trailer tires. Let's look here at the axles here in the drone footage. They're going to move over here to the left, and then more of a jackknife is happening. Okay, so now let's see what's going to happen. Now we can't hold the jackknife for too long. Just to clarify, right? This GOAL sticker, this was placed here on purpose in this exact spot. So when you are pulling a U-turn or you're jackknifing hard or whatever, you never lose it. If I lose this sticker over here on the left, that means I've gone too far, and I more than likely might hit the back of the truck to the side of the trailer. So let's go back here for a second. Okay, and so now I'm going to jackknife for this a little bit longer, making sure we're not going to hit the back of the trailer, sorry, the back of the truck with the trailer. And now my goal is to get it nice and close to this JB Hunt trailer. All right, the closer you are to this trailer, the further away you are from the other trailer. Okay, so, and then we stop. We crank it hard to the right, because in the shortest distance we want to straighten up as much as possible. And getting it nice and close, watching the line. And now let's focus on our mirrors, because our head's not out the window anymore. And we're in. All right, let's go back to that one position again, right? Where are we? Okay, so we pull forward. Let's just play it normally. So as we're jackknifing, you can see what's happening here. All right, so if you're going to take anything out of this video, all right, it's when you overshoot it, all right, we're going to pull forward to the left, which is going to create a harder jackknife. And especially when you're in reverse here, we're going to jackknife it a lot more to where we're at like a 90 degrees. So it's going to start rotating on itself there. All right. So like in another scenario, let's say when you're backing up and your axles are too close to here. Well, that's kind of hard to fix. That's a lot harder to fix. You're pretty much best to just start all over again. All right, and maybe overshoot it. There's nothing wrong with overshooting it. All right, as long as you have the room over here, obviously. Okay, because you're not going to be able to fix that because you won't have the room to jackknife harder. Okay. See how easy that got fixed? So it went from here to here. Nice, good, nice, easy fix. All right. Anyway, that's the end of that video. Obviously, let's finish off here for a second. There we go. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff that gets me more views. All right, take care, guys. Bye-bye. So if you click on any of these links, I have some more backing videos for you, and enjoy. Bye.